To monetize content, creators often turn to crowdfunding platforms like Patreon. These platforms provide creators with a mechanism to connect with their audience and receive ongoing financial support for their work. In the case of Patreon, this includes selling premium memberships and sharing in membership proceeds. But what if you could earn an equal or greater amount of revenue without having to sell hundreds of memberships? What if you could earn cash rewards when your followers sign up, free of charge, to access your free or premium content, as well as your special offer announcements? What if you could collaborate with your followers as well as other creators to produce great content and make money in the process? This is the power of social rewards technology. It allows you to earn lifetime, residual income without having to rely on your fans. They don't have to constantly dig deep into their pockets to finance your career. As discussed, platforms like Patreon provide creators with a mechanism to connect with their audience and receive ongoing financial support. By offering premium memberships and sharing in the proceeds, creators can monetize their content effectively. However, social rewards technology takes it a step further, while ensuring successful outcomes. For example, with social rewards you can earn $1 for each free user registration, including onboarded collaboration partners. First of may not sound like much. However, if you have 100,000 followers and 10% respond to free offers, gigs, events and related opportunities, that $1 will quickly turn into $10,000 in bonus revenues. But that is not all. Your income is boosted by a share of website-wide advertising, e-commerce and licensing revenue. You will also earn $10 to $90 to onboard creators that engage and activate social rewards monetization solutions. To drive earnings faster, you can create unlimited online contests, onboard affiliates and earn lifetime residual income, including up to 12.5% of your team's creator earnings. Creators can also participate in creator funding programs, as well as monthly, quarterly and annual creator bonuses. With all this said, social rewards technology doesn't have to replace your Patreon membership program, it augments it. You can still sell Patreon-powered memberships. However, if you are experiencing difficulties selling premium memberships, and you want to earn when your followers respond to your free offers, then social rewards technology is the ideal solution. With social rewards technology, you can earn cash rewards when users sign up for free to participate in an online event, access your premium content, special offer announcements, apply to gigs, or even connect with you through chat. This creates a mutually beneficial relationship where your audience can support you financially, without being forced to purchase memberships, while enjoying exclusive perks. This is achieved because the hosting platform is responsible for compensating you, not your fans. Furthermore, if your fans assist you in promoting your offers, they also financially benefit from their activities, which will motivate them to share more. Likewise, when AI and social rewards technology are combined, it becomes a powerful toolset that makes your job as a content creator much easier. AI can assist in content creation, optimization, and audience analysis, while social rewards technology helps you monetize your content quickly, in innovative ways beyond traditional membership sales. Together, they streamline your workflow, enhance your revenue potential, and provide you with the tools to thrive in the competitive digital landscape. That wraps up our exciting update on social rewards content monetization. Please select the links in the video description to learn how you can begin earning with social rewards. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI tools and news channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Finally, if you know someone who can benefit from reading this content and the free AI tools listing, please sign up and share. We will pay you $1 for each recommendation plus share $10 to $90 for each membership upgrade. Thank you for watching.